Hi everyone, welcome to Pandan Club. First, today we had a cooking class for kids. They enjoyed making some desserts, donuts with custard. Just lightly rolled it. If you don't have glove, you can also use, just apply a little bit of oil or butter in your hand. It prevents from sticking to your hand. Custard is runny, right? A bit watery. So we need to make this thick. Okay. Try this. Biscuit, chocolate, marshmallow. They call it s'more. Oh, I love it. Custard is getting thicker already. What I told you is not wrong. So in order for you to get the nice result, you need to freeze it. Lights gone on Monday. உள்ளுக்கும் சாஃப்ட்டா இருக்கணும், வெளியும் கிறிஸ்பியா இருக்கும்.
Pandan Club is all about bringing a 5-star experience outside a 5-star hotel, and we chose Peranakan as a cuisine because that is something Sashi is very comfortable with. India's first modern Peranakan cuisine. Everything has been detailed out so that when you walk in, have your food, walk out, you have a holistic, full-fledged experience at Pandan. So that is the vision in which we have developed the restaurant. And about the MasterClass today, especially for kids. Sashi is an untrained chef. He went with his passion to MasterChef and he won that. We feel the interest levels at very young age has to be garnered and you have to catch them young. And we always find a lot of kids being very impressed with Sashi's MasterChef shows, and they all aspire to become chefs.
This place is ideal for family, friends, get-togethers, and anything. You know, if you guys are looking for some amazing locations for lunch and dinner, this is a place to come to.